Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, I will help you understand how to use the BotPenguin Resource Center. So let's get started. Simply, you have to search for help.botpenguin.com, and once you search, this page will appear, and in this particular section you will be able to find all the templates, all the documentation that we have available on our BotPenguin platform. And how you can access them: simply you will be able to see every single detail on this left hand sidebar menu. Everything that's available in this particular section, you will be able to use it. And let's say if you have anything that you are looking for, especially for example how to create WhatsApp chatbot, so either I have this option on the left, on the right hand side of search. So I will simply type WhatsApp, and all the document related to WhatsApp, it will come up here. All right, and I will simply search for that particular option. And once I will click on this, on the right hand side, I will be able to see the all the topics that are covered in this particular document. And if I check on the left panel, it will give me the option of creating the bot, with how to create the WhatsApp bot. Everything will be shown to you here. So if you want to use this resource center, you simply have to go to help.botpenguin.com. In this particular resource center, you will be able to find every documentations or every feature that is available on the BotPenguin platform. How to use it, the documentation for the same will be available on this particular platform. And if you have any specific use case, you can search for that particular documentation here, and all the related documentation will comes up here, and you can simply use it and start using the platform. So that's all how you can use the help documentation for understanding the platform. And that's all about this whole video. If you have any question, you can simply reach us at support@botpenguin.com. Thank you so much for choosing BotPenguin. Have a good one.